but you can't see it enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let go.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nobonga and you're officially tuned in to Life with Ntmkhabela. I hope you do stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I install, style my frontal and together with some of the things I use. So if you like this kind of videos, do stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. To start with, I'm just gonna go on and put on my wig cap, and yeah, make sure that my hairline is not outside because the glue tends to just damage my hairline. And I'm not gonna be doing the bold cap method because gosh, it is a lot. So now I'm just gonna go on, put the wig on my head just to position it well around my head before applying the glue. And yeah, I'm still new in applying frontal, so it is gonna have a lot of mistakes. Do not expect perfection. Sis is still learning. So I'm now just gonna go in with the Got2b glue around my head, just a little bit in front of the wig cap, if I can say that. So I'm just gonna go on, use my hand, rub in or distribute the glue all around in a way that I will feel it has like fully covered the front of my forehead. And yeah, I am using this little mirror to blow out the blow dry because I want to do 2 layers of this since I'm gonna be spending 2 or 3 days with it. So this is me adding the second layer just to give it an extra hold. I'm just gonna go on and use my hand to check if it's sticky. That's when you know it's time to apply your wig. So yeah, this is just gonna be me applying the wig. You're just gonna see the rest of this because it is self-explanatory. I did make especially this part to be on real time because I feel this is like the hardest part of wig application. So yeah, this was me struggling to make sure that the wig is placed right. It like doesn't look weird, it doesn't like cover most of my forehead and all of that. So it is on real time just so you can see the struggle of trying to make sure that the wig is properly placed all around from one ear to the other. So I also using a comb just to give it like extra force so it can easily stick. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can say that, but yeah, just to give it an extra force so it can like simply hold on the tackiness or the stickiness of the glue on my forehead. So yeah, this is just the struggle.
Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes.
Here I was trying to make sure that the wig around my ears, it's like properly placed, because whenever it's not, I just find it irritating around my ears and end up removing it. So if you're gonna be doing your frontal and new to wigs, make sure the corners of your ears are good and they have like properly sticked, so it to avoid irritation. Now I'm gonna go on and use these elastic wrap or elastic belt to give it an extra hold. Meanwhile, we're gonna be styling our wig. So to style our wig, we're just gonna firstly need heat protector. Mine it's from Got2b, just to make sure that your human hair or whatever hair, Brazilian hair, it's not damaged by heat. So just gonna go in and use, I think it's what you call a straightener. Yeah, a straightener, just to straighten the hair. And yeah, I just decided to just go on and spray the head protector all around my hair, just to avoid spraying it by each string of hair I take as I use the straightener. So yeah, just taking a part of the hair, straightening, taking a part, straightening. It's simply just that. Now just gonna go on, remove the belt. I find it very painful because my head kind of get dizzy whenever I put it for a long time. Now we're just gonna go in with the wax stick. Mine is from AKT. I got it from Take It Out. Oh, actually all the products that I'm gonna be using here, I get them from Take It Out, but I think they are available on discount. I think I did once see the Got2b head protector. I've never seen the AKT wax stick though, but yeah, most of them I did see them at discount and Clicks. Oh, also ShopRite does have Got2b products. I don't know about the others. So yeah, just using it to make sure all the flyaways lies flat. So since we're styling, we're just trying to get like a kind of roundy line. Is it even proper English? But yeah, making sure it is straight though. And yeah, I think I did justice to it. I think I did. So by the way, I am using a rattle comb. Even though you can see it, I am using a rattle comb. I do find it easy when I want to open like straight lines, rounded like lines. I don't know if you have noticed, I did damage my wig on front a little as I was trying to plug it, but yeah, at the end you won't even see or notice that, I promise. But yeah, still using the AKT wax stick to make sure it is as flat as possible, especially on front, and the line is as visible, clean it can possibly be. Now we're just gonna go on with a hot comb to further flatten the hair where we wanna see it flat. So yeah, the part of styling, it's really not that difficult. It's just depend on how you want your wig to look like, what shape or what way does it suit you. But also do be careful when using a hot comb. It is very hot. You can find yourself turning your
feel nauseous,
ears.
believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my
Now I
dreaming.
am just adding a little bit of the Got2b on my hand and using the comb just to fix the front. I feel like it is kind of lifting up. Don't know why, but yeah, it is what it is. But we still got time to fix it because we're still styling. So yeah, that is what we are doing. Try to fix the front because some of it's lifting up. As I was saying, you can see here by the corner of my ears that it's still struggling to lay flat. So it's another part that is boring, like doing one and the same thing, boring. So now I'm just gonna go in with the olive oil ORS mousse to just give my hair that little shine and to make it not to lift up, because it kind of give also an extra hold. I don't know how many times I've talked about extra hold that, but yeah, just to make sure it lies flat, it is like strong, that it's not lifted by it. So now it's time to do our edges. So I'm just using my comb to just line my edges the way I will feel that they will suit me, because before using the mousse. So now I'm going in with a mousse, or actually I did get the edge brush from Shein. They were 11 rand. Like, they are a goddess. They are a goddess. So, yeah. So now I'm just laying my edges. There's really nothing to say here. It's just me laying my edges using a mousse. You can use very different things to lay your edges. You can use edge control. You can use, what is it that I've used before? What is this? This one that is used for S curl. What is it? It's gel. Yeah, it's gel. You can even use the Got2b glue, Got2b spray. Yeah, a lot of things can be used to lay edges, but just for today I just went on and used the mousse, because they all just work the same way. It just depends what is good for you, what you like, what is convenient for you, and yeah, it's just that. Now I'm gonna go in with the foundation, which I hope it is of my shade, because I didn't test this foundation and I've never used this kind before. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this foundation around the line that I've opened, just to make sure it is kind of like my skin tone. Yeah, because beneath I've used a wig cap, which is like way too lighter than my skin, and I hate it when it shows on the line that I've opened on my wig. So that's why I go on use a foundation just to mesh either my skin tone or the foundation that I am going to be using. Careful when you're using these though, because it can just give you another way of cleaning out the foundation when you have stained it. So yeah, just going around my head, also like on the front of my forehead, also putting the foundation, and yeah, that's just it. Now I'm going back again with the wrap, just to make sure that my edges lies flat. The front of the wig also lies flat, because it was busy lifting up as I was styling the wig. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna go on with a comb, make sure everything is perfect, make sure everything is good, it has laid flat, and yeah, it is almost the end of the video. So hope you do love the video, and yeah, see you on my next upload.